We tracked the performance before Blackbird by an Excel worksheet, but we soon found out that for the rotor line we need a bit more details. It was okay, but of course not at all automated as it is in Blackbird today. The system is used widely in the company. So we started out on 10 equipments with the Blackbird, and today we have nearly 30 equipments with Blackbird on. The production employees and our technician in the production use it to register the stop causes, and of course use it to problem solve on the equipment, and our production management use it every day to follow up on a daily basis. On a morning meeting they follow up on the OPR targets for the single equipment. Blackbird solved the issue of not being sure whether it was one stop cause or another, and having a statistical and historical background on equipment. When you start to improve an equipment or look into stop causes, then you need some data. And when you start to collect data when you need it, then you have a very long response time. So when you have Blackbird on your equipment, you can start right away because you already have the historical data. Of course, the insight we got when we were installing the system, that actually by just installing it, we saw an improvement. That was a very big eye-opener. We didn't expect it to have an effect that fast. I have to say that we are very glad to use the system. It really adds value all the way around, which we are of course shown by having on a lot of equipment, but it really adds value to our problem solving, having the historical data to see what are the biggest issues. I think we are in a very good place right now. As I mentioned earlier, we have reached 13 days straight with an average of 92% on the rotor line, which is just crazy to think about compared to what we have seen in the past.